online shopping, if I purchase any shoes and if I get one piece only, so I can return it or I can complain to.
I will come.
And not only complain
I'll
only.
complain.
There are so many offline shops are
Yes, I
are
complained.
selling their products on online also. There are so many shopkeepers.
I complained, but I don't get any response.
How can you say, ma'am? You can't say, then you can't complain it properly.
It's fraud with me. It's fraud.
No, ma'am,
I got it.
It's an government thing. How it is? It's an
I don't know how to possible, but it's fraud with me. I got it.
ma'am. This is not like means.
I
There are so in so many
I can
cases.
show detail. You can watch.
But there are so many shops. Those sell you the only one piece of shoes and they didn't take any
If
return.
I go to offline shop, then I will purchase 2 pieces.
Only for saying it is not in the original.
After they're buying a boat popular company, popular headphones,
Yes,
and purchase headphones, and default products, and return after 2 days, and no response for company, any message.
I also purchased the boat company earbud, and when I purchased that earbud, I get the when I get the I use after some time, after 2 or 3 months, I return this, and then after I get the new
Not 2-3
earbud.
months, not 2-3 months.
I-
Only 1 week. Only 1 week.
I-
use. And default products and return.
Only 1 week, na. I'm
Yeah.
selling after 2 months. I return this after 2 months, and then after I got the new product. So how you say that when you purchase any product offline, then you will see that many of the fraud is available.
But offline
Because
product-
when you go on the any mobile shop, they open their offline shops, but they get their product by the online. They purchase every product by online.
Excuse me, I purchase 2 shoes, 2 pieces shoes, but I get one piece shoes. But I pay I pay 2 shoes price, but
Yes.
I get one shoes and I don't get proper price.
Ma'am, in
Wrist. But whenever you purchase that product by your mobile by online, then you can easily purchase that, because whenever you see that online shopping nowadays are very easy, and it is when a person suppose that when a person got accidented and he has not opportunity, he has not anybody who helps him, and who take the product with him, carry them, and so you can he can easily purchase that by the help of their mobile phone, and they can take the products of their need.
If you go offline, then you can feel the cloth, touch the cloth, see the cloth, that color will fade or not, and fit suit, it will suit or on you or not, and we can also try it immediately. And if I want in emergency, then I definitely go to offline shopping, not online shopping.
Excuse me, ma'am. If I purchased any electronic items like washing machine, like refrigerator, you buy online. You buy online shop, because if you buy your product, your electronic product by offline shop, you hire any rickshaw, any auto to convenience, and in online store, easily your product will at your home.
Shopping, if you are going to a same if you are going to a same shop, then then a relationship will build with the shopkeeper. You can also borrow if sometimes the clothes and anything if you want.
For that
No,
e-rickshaw,
if
it is included, but
if I will purchase high prices product, then some shopkeepers
He
is
takes the-
provided it.
he takes the money in another form. He takes the e-rickshaw fees indirectly. He takes that indirectly to you.
I know, but some
Then
some
why
shop-
are you say this? You know that. Then why you say?
Sir, do you know that online shop also takes the shipping charge because they are included in that product.
Yes, it takes the shipping charge, but only for only 200 or 300 rupees. But
Not
when
sir.
you purchase we are talking about the huge products, which is the high
There are
prices.
so many
And
shops
when
they
you
are giving product delivery at home.
it is and it is very must for the
Beggar bargaining you clothes need the clothes and you have and that have no phone, then now you go to the near your market and purchase cloth and give him.
As of now, everyone have the smartphone in urban and
Poor people
rural
have
area.
not phone
Everyone
who live
have,
on the road.
basically he has prefer the offline, and many people prefer who has rural area you prefer the online shopping, because many offers are given by online shopping in many festival and other festival.
I tell about beggar who have no clothes, needy people. They have no clothes, no goods, no foods. Then we will go to the market and purchase foods, clothes, and give them.
Basically, if you have rich people, you can give the shopping through online. You can give the poor people if you need the.
If any beggar needy, then what you doing? You do uh, online shopping. Order the clothes or goods. Not there are you need of online shopping, not online.
Actually, ma'am, according to my point of view, online shopping is very is better than online shopping. If we like offline shopping, we have to go many malls and many shop. But in offline shopping, we have not to go anywhere. We
If you order online shopping, then online shopping boost international GDP. If you buy offline, they are boost Indian GDP. uh, we are Indian people. What about this?
uh, if you have problem your phone, delivery gets late, so how can go marriage party immediately?
Excuse me, ma'am, if you if I go any shop, there in shop some brands are available,
But
and
ma'am,
online store.
offline shopping is the better than online shopping. If nearly market, if you go to purchase
You go
something
any
and immediately go to marriage
You
party.
go any shop,
But online shopping is daily. You can how can go?
if you go any shops, there are many some brands there are some brands are available in any shop, and online store there are many brands are available. If you go any shoes, then you go any shoes shop. You go any clothes, then you go any cloth shop. And in online shopping, not wasting our time, you order anything by your home.
But ma'am, for your delivery Danny, but immediately you can go marriage party. How?
In this time,
You reuse their clothes. If you
in offline store, there are also in the offline store, we also seen that many people have bought it many people bought only a product.
uh, you tell about free shipping, then you go to offline shopping. uh, uh, uh,
I think online shopping is more better because if I purchase anything online, so I can easily purchase it by sitting at home only. But if I go to for offline, so I can lost my energy. Plus if I go to the vehicle by bike, so it is the loss of petrol. Or if I take any auto rickshaw, so they can charge the fee.
But it's my opinion, if I go to outside, then we can learn a lot of things like that. We will face any situation, then we can handle. But online it not option for me, because offline we can talking to shopkeepers, then we can understand what he said.
Excuse me, ma'am. Whenever you travel on the road, there is the extremely chances to become get accident.
Yes,
And
yes.
you when you will get accident, then you know.
Yes,
then
I
you
want
will,
to say about that.
then?
I will face it. I will face it. I will try to save by running car.
And when they are get accident, then after they get the help of the online shopping. That person get the online shopping, and whenever you got purchase the any product buying online, you will get the many types of discount, just like you will get the 10% discount. You when you purchase the
But sir, listen to me, listen to me. But there is in online shopping there is a very there is that time is there nowadays there is very fraud. If you are purchase iPhone, if you are
Yes.
purchase iPhone,
Yes, yes.
iPhone and any branded mobile phones, then but I order iPhones, but I get Nokia 216
Sir,
216.
sir, how can you say in offline shopping also there are so many frauds are going on.
Firstly you are check na. Firstly you are check na. In offline shopping, you are firstly you
I'm
are
giving
check.
your answer. Whenever you purchase the any product online, there are the first of all when you use the mobile phone, you have already mind, and when you have mind, then you can easily choose which app is the best. And when you open the app, there was the terms and condition policy,
some-
and many
sir,
times
but
of,
sir,
you
but
can
sir-
accept. You will accept. After that, you will
But
purchase
sir,
any
but sir,
product.
listen to me. Sometimes I order any shirts. In
Yes.
picture shows it is another, and I get another shirts.
Can you give? Can you give?
And I also I order. And there is not a written policy available. How to do?
Sir, no, sir. In online shopping, if I purchase anything, so I can. So there are so many reviews are written by the customers, and there are so many photos and videos are shared by the customers.
Sir,
So I can check it, and if the product is wrong, so I can return it also. It very easily.
In online shopping we have to share our details, but I don't want to share any details like my name, my contact number. Then I will definitely go to offline shopping, because and there are so many frauds, like account will be debited, and so many cyber crime
Whenever it is not important that there is a definitely fraud. Many person are uses the. Can you tell me any real example? Have you any real example?